first thing we got to do is the muster drill. Come over here. We're going to give you a little demonstration. Scan your room key, and then you got to watch the video.
Did you complete your safety video? Not yet. Okay. Do you know how to put your life jacket? Yes. You know the emergency? Yes. In your emergency position. In a real emergency, just come here, say hello. And remember 911 if you have a medical.
Two slices of pepperoni, please.
Anything else for you?
Nope, that'll do it. Thank you. There is the Carnival Dream. She is in port with us today. Hopefully it's not too windy up here. But we are up here on the helicopter deck just to take a look at the Dream real quick. Tiffany's already relaxing. But we're going to go this way and see if we can't get out of this wind a little bit. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. And where are we at, baby?
We are on the ship.
We are on a ship. We're not going to tell you what ship, apparently.
We're on Liberty of the Seas.
So we are here on Liberty of the Seas. We're already on board. This is the first time we've actually had the opportunity to sit down and shoot the introduction. It's kind of been crazy. We got up, got in the truck, drove straight here, got parked on the bus, through the terminal. I mean, check-in, embarkation was like bam, bam, bam. They sat us down in the chair in the cruise terminal and then stood us right back up and had us board the ship. And then so we stopped by Sorrento's already down on deck 5, got some lunch, and right now we're actually up in the theater. We're in the theater because we just wanted a quiet place to sit down and shoot this intro for you guys to let you know, hey, we are officially on Liberty of the Seas. So we are going to be on here for a week. We're going to Cozumel. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to the Grand Caymans. So it's going to be a super fun week. Lots of stuff going on. Going to check out the ship. We've kind of looked at some of the cruise activities coming up. There's a lot more activities this time than there was when we sailed on Adventure of the Seas. Just protocol-wise, just so everybody knows, skate through, no masks anywhere so far. And we did, we preloaded our vaccination card onto the Royal app, and they didn't even ask to see it. They wanted a negative COVID test in our passport, and boom, and our, sign and sail card, our sea pass. And they were like, boom, okay, get on the ship. You guys are good. So we're going to explore. Let's see what's going on. It is our plan, and I say plan because by the time you guys actually see this video, either it have already happened if we make it work, but we are going to try to go live before we do sail away today. So, but like I said, that will have already happened by the time you guys even see this video. So it's kind of like I'm talking to you from the past or the future. I don't know which one. I'm not real sure. But say we're going to get to exploring and see what we can see. Yes. All right. Of course, it does say Sunday right there. That's probably one of my favorite things on Royal Caribbean. So what do you think of that, baby? Nice spot to sit down and read a book.